Good day, producers. I am Chris Schmidt, Chief Agriculturist within Kynoch Fertilizers, and I'm thrilled today to introduce to you a new product, namely Kynoch Plus Pro. Up to now, the NBPT was used as a stabilizer for urea within Kynoch, but this year Kynoch decided to launch a new product, namely Kynoch Plus Pro. Within Kynoch Plus Pro, there are two active ingredients, namely Duramide and NBPT, which work synergetically in order to create higher efficiency and better protection of urea. It is a well-known fact that whenever urea is used in agricultural systems, that a significant portion of the nitrogen will be lost due to volatilizations. Various environmental conditions influences the losses, and factors like soil moisture, soil temperature, soil pH, and even wind could play a significant role on losses. Farmers do adjust their cultivation practices in order to mitigate these losses by placing techniques, by applying higher application rates of urea, and even to try and obtain better coverage. But research has shown consistently that despite these efforts, significant nitrogen losses still occur under various environmental conditions. The product is more stable, especially in terms when mixing in blends with ammonium sulfate or MAP. To cover the input costs for a maize farmer, only 30 to 40 kgs of maize is needed to harvest per hectare. Also, research has shown that for every R1 invested in the Kynoch Plus Pro product, between 10 and 80 rands per hectare could be obtained from that. For all the producers out there who are interested in the Kynoch Plus Pro product, please make contact with our agents and our expert team of agriculturists. Remember that Kynoch Plus Pro is available as a standalone nitrogen source as well as in blends.